Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming permissions and opening the screensaver settings. This prevents permission errors later. Once done, find the Active Saver file or Settings panel, System Preferences, or Control panel depending on your OS. Make sure you have a destination folder ready, such as Desktop or Pictures, for the export. You're not installing yet, you're preparing. This step matters because modern OSes protect saver files and apps, so doing this first avoids interruptions and speeds the next steps. Now you'll export or copy the saver file. If the Settings app offers export or save, use it and choose your prepared folder. If not, locate the SCR or saver file and copy it on macOS Use Finder, on Windows Use Explorer. When files are protected, elevate rights, use Run as Administrator or sudo in terminal to create a copy. Make sure you check file size and timestamp to confirm integrity. That way you avoid corrupted or partial copies before transferring or backing up. Finish by installing and backing up the saver. Place the copied file into the system screensaver folder or double-click to install, then activate it in Settings. Next, compress and save a backup in two separate locations, cloud plus external drive, to prevent loss. If the saver fails to run, first recheck file permissions and ownership, then look for missing dependencies or consult system logs for errors. If necessary, restore from your backup and repeat the elevated copy step to fix permission-related failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.